Alright, before we get started with the video, let me open up this reward from one of you guys. And we're going to be getting Zynga. Thank you for using my referral code. It's a $5.48 stock, so that's pretty nice. Alright guys, I'm back again with my, monthly update. It's the half of the month right now, so I'm going to be talking to you guys about my investments. So, some things that have changed, as you can see, I'm down a little bit from my last video. Well, I've also put a lot more money into the portfolio. So right now I have about $3,000 invested and I have about $55.87 profit. As you can see, you guys seen already up here, I was at like 140 and then I dipped down right here, I believe in the last video. Now what happened is I bought some PayPal options and that didn't work out for me that well and I lost a lot of my profits. Then I got on the Disney, I got Disney and that pulled me back up. But then Disney took a little pullback these past few days, but I still recovered back up. I also bought a bunch more things, so I'll be showing you guys right now. Alright, so the first stock in my portfolio is Microsoft. You guys already know I added more to my position. I only had one share. Well, right now I have 4 shares at an average of $118.92. My total return is about 1.66%. It was 8%, I had an average cost of 112, but I added more shares. Second stock I have, I actually bought yesterday, and it's Cisco. I was up about 8% on this one, but only with one share. I recently just bought I bought another 11 shares, so I have 12 shares. My average cost is $56.98, and I'm not even up a percent yet, because I'm pretty sure I bought like up here somewhere. But in the long run, if you take a look at Cisco has been performing amazingly since January. So, since January it's been doing great. So I'm just hoping that it keeps going up. I have a lot of hope in this stock right here. Alright, so this is one of the big players right here, Disney. I bought Disney right as it spiked up before the Disney Plus announcement. I wish I would have bought a little bit earlier, but I bought a little too late. It's okay though, because I still got 10 shares at $125.92. I'm up about 3.32% on it, which is like 42 bucks almost. I did go down yesterday on the position, but this is still a long-term hold for me. Nike hasn't been doing too well. I also sold off 3 of my shares, I believe. So I only have 1 share of Nike at an average of $83.76. I'm up about 5% on that stock right there. Nike is just something I'm going to be holding for long term. I'm sure it's going to be somewhere in the 90s by the end of the year. That's just what I'm thinking. We have Starbucks. Now Starbucks, they had some news this week about how the rewards points are going to be changing, and it took a little dip. It was up a little bit more. I'm still up about 4%. My average cost is $72.54. I'm up about $3 on that one. We have Southern right here. Okay, so this right here is actually a dividend hold for me. So I have 3 shares at $52.09. I'm actually down on the position, but only because it's been dropping this past week. This is going to be one of my dividend holdings that I'm going to be getting dividends from. Pretty much, they pay out a pretty high dividend. I think it's around like 6% maybe. Let me check right here. 5.4%. Alright, we have Verizon. Verizon hasn't been doing much for me. My average cost is $58.67. I'm down like 1 cent on the position. But yeah, this is just long-term hold. Many good things coming out with this. 5G, all about it. Alright, Enphase Energy. Well, this used to be a stock I used to hold in the beginning for long term, but now I just have 2 shares at an average of $10.04. I'm down on that position about 4% actually. I made a bunch of money with this one like maybe a month ago. Alright, PavMed. This is just something I'm holding. I have 5 shares at $1.23. This is just something I hold to see. You never know what can happen with these little stocks. It could skyrocket up and I can make a couple of bucks. Alright, right here we have Gladstone Capital. This is another dividend hold for me. I have about 13 shares right now at an average of $9.27. I'm up about 0.66% on this position. Their dividend is like 8.8%, as you can see right there. This is going to be a long-term hold. It's been doing pretty good this year. It's recovering back up. I wish I would have bought like somewhere down here. It would have been nice, but all right, guys. So right here is going to be Ford. I bought Ford again. This one is for the dividend. I got 3 shares at $9.32. I'm up about 1% on this position. Uh, Ford has a dividend of 7.8%. This is also going to be one of my long-term holds. I know Ford is on a downward trend, but it's just something I'm going to be holding. All right, store right here. This is another one of my stocks I have. So pretty much with this one, I have 1 share at $33.24. Down actually about 3% on this one, which is not good, but it has a 4.5% dividend, and that's pretty much why I bought this one. If you look at the 1 year, it's doing pretty good, so I'm sure it'll continue the trend. Yeah, guys, that is my portfolio right here. If any of you guys want to sign up for Robinhood, I'm going to have a referral code in the description. Make sure you drop a like, leave a comment. What do you guys think about my portfolio? Do you like my portfolio? What do you guys think I can add or get rid of? But this is it so far, and let's hope to make some more gains. See you next time.